Hi, welcome to Web Learners. Today I will tell you that how you can create a free professional WordPress website by using the free domain and free hosting like this, which you are seeing right now on the screen. So I have divided it in the three parts. So the first one, that is, you will have to create an account on ProFreeHost. ProFreeHost is a platform where you can create a domain name, and it will provide free hosting to us to manage to host our WordPress website. So you are seeing here many options. You will have to click on the register now. I have registered already, that's why I'm clicking on login button. So I'm here in the login panel. I am adding my details, login details, which I have added before. So after the clicking on OK, it will redirect you to the domain creation panel. So I'm scrolling down. As you can see that there are already two domains which I have created, and here you can only create 3 accounts per account. You will have to if you have created less than 3 domains, then you can click on the create new account. By the way, you can create new domain. So I'm clicking on create new domain, so click it. So as I have clicked here, the next is the create a domain name. Recently I created the account of ProFreeHost. Now I'm creating the domain name. As you can see, there is a create new website. Here I will add the new domain name, this which is available or not. You will have to create a unique domain name which does not exist already. So I have created a new domain name. So now click on the OK. As I will click OK, it has redirected me to the new domain or the account panel, where you can see I have created the 3 accounts out of 3. It's in under pending. Then I'm clicking refresh. As you can see that my account has been created successfully. Now I'm clicking manage an account because I have to install the WordPress. And the third part of this video, of this tutorial, is a WordPress installation on our domain. So as I have clicked on manage, now you can see an option here named control panel. You will have to click on it. As I have clicked, it will redirect us to the new control panel of the domain, where we can control all the things of domain to install WordPress, or everything, the file manager. As in an important notice will come, you will have to click I approve. After that, it will redirect to the control panel of the domain. As you can see, the thanks panel is been loading. So scroll down. Here you can see the option of software. You will have to click here on the software installation, and here after it has redirected us to another tab. Here you can see the top scripts, and there's a WordPress. You will have to click on install on the WordPress tab. So scroll down, you can see an option of named install. It will help us to install our WordPress on our domain. You will have to wait for a moment. It says take 3 to 4 minutes, but I think it takes less than 1 minute or 2 minutes. So wait a moment. As you can see now, that's congratulations, the software was installed successfully. By clicking on this, you can see your website how it looks like Now you can see it's a plan website which is created by the WordPress. You can see the domain name, that is the newweblearners.unaux.com, and you can see the WordPress logo too. So thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Web Learners and support us to make that kind of similar videos. Thank you. Create an awesome website.